It's time for the Margin Matters Minute with Money Man Jason Brown.
All right, welcome back everybody. Today we're talking about eating out and how we can save money. And more specifically, we're talking about eating out for lunch, okay? These are two of my favorites, Chick-fil-A, Jersey Mike's. We're gonna pick on them a little bit, but that's only because they're my favorites. So, if you're like me and have to eat to live, you might wanna hear how much money you can possibly save by not eating out so much. So, if you'll see here, I did a little math, some of my basic math skills that I use. Cost of eating out. The average cost of eating lunch out is gonna be about 10 bucks a day. And that, of course, over a 5-day week, 50 bucks a week. Now this is where you start seeing the big numbers. Over the course of a year, $2,500 a year. Now, if you take that money and you just cut 2 days out a week of eating out, over the course of 30 years, if you invested that money at a 6% interest rate, look at that number. You are gonna earn $88,500 over 3 decades of time. But most of us, we don't think that way. We just think, oh, it's just 7 bucks, it's just 10 bucks, no big deal. But you do that every day, you can see how it builds up over time. So I wanna show you guys what I do. I try to pack my lunch every day, go to work, I pack myself turkey and cheese sandwich, bottle of water. I usually have an apple, some almonds, maybe a protein bar. And you're saying, well, Jason, that costs money too. Well, yes, it does, but it costs significantly less. On average, I'm spending about 3 bucks a day to pack my lunch versus 10 to 15 bucks a day if I go out to eat. Now, the benefits are twofold. Not only are you saving a lot of money, you're also eating healthier. You're eating cleaner. You're not getting all that restaurant junk food, right? So the benefits are tremendous. So I want you to think about how you can do it. I don't want you to save 5 days a week. Don't try to do it all at once because it's going to be too difficult. It's too radical of a change. So just try to do 1 to 2 days a week to start out, and you'll see the benefits, the cost savings, the healthier you're going to be, and then go from there. This is Jason Brown saying, don't forget, it's not the amount of money you make, it's the margin that matters the most. See you next time.